Hey Sean, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. We spoke earlier today. You mentioned that you were concerned about some moss growing on your roof. So I thought I'd film this quick video to kind of explain our process and what I see here and how we can provide some solutions for you. So what I notice here is there's this small little line here, and that tells me that your gutters probably are overspilling and dripping consistently. So along with the cleaning of your roof, washing down your siding, I'll also offer you some gutter guard solutions. Keep the gutters cleaned year round. That way you don't have to have this overspill issues, and your roof won't get as dirty as quick as it does. This is the north side, so once we clean your roof, it's a low pressure gentle detergent wash process. It should last about 5 years, and then you can also do other processes to prevent that from coming in the future. But when we get done, it'll be treated. It won't no longer grow any further. So the solution is safe for pets, plants, and the environment, and we'll get that all washed down for you. It's a low pressure gentle detergent wash process for the siding as well, so that your curb appeal on your home is super nice, and you'll be very happy with that. My name is Eddie, owner operator. I'm the one who will be doing all the work on your property. So if you have any questions about our process, don't hesitate to give me a call. Otherwise, check out the options below, and you'll see some great bundles or ways for you to get your property washed up in an affordable way. So look forward to working with you. Catch you later. Thank you.